Hey guys, so I've got 2 cans of this cream of chicken with herbs, and to that we're gonna add 2 cans of mixed veggies and 2 cans of chicken breast meat. To that we're gonna add some dried minced onions, about a tablespoon or so, and some Italian seasoning. It's right in there as well. Some garlic powder, and some onion powder. A little bit of salt. And some cracked black pepper. This is one of those dishes that I like making. It's a little departure from your standard chicken pot pie. Mix this all together. The chicken pot pie is such a crowd favorite, you know, like everybody loves chicken pot pie, but it's kind of important to kind of change it up once in a while. So this is going to be a little bit different and so good. I've made this a bunch of times. Every time I make it, my friends are like, you know, I never even thought about doing a chicken pot pie that way. You should try this at home. I think your friends and family will also be just as impressed. We're going to add 1/2 of this giant tub of ricotta cheese. About 1 cup's worth. Mix that in as well. This is such a great recipe to take to like brunches, especially as the weather is starting to warm up again. Once we have that mixture all combined, we're just going to take a little bit of this and put this on the bottom of a 9x13 casserole pan, just like that. Spread this around just on the bottom. And then we're going to start layering these lasagna sheets right on top. Once we have our first layer down, we're going to come back with another layer of our filling. Just use like half and spread that in one even layer. We're going to top it with a layer of this Italian blended cheese. Just use half, so just 1 cup for this layer, and just a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And then we're going to do the same thing all over again with another layer of lasagna sheets. And then go ahead and put the rest of that filling right on top of those noodles. Spread this layer around too. Make sure it's in one nice layer. We're going to repeat the process with this Italian blended cheese. Goes right on top. And some more of that Parmesan. We're going to add our final layer of lasagna sheets. Just like that. And top everything with a final, this is another 2-cup bag of Italian shredded cheese. Just put the whole bag right on top. Just 2 bags of shredded Italian blend. Last bit of Parmesan cheese. Spread that around as well. Add some more Italian seasoning right on top just to make it look really pretty and add a little bit of extra flavor, as well as some parsley. And then this goes into a 350-degree oven for about 40 minutes. Wow, that looks so good. I'm gonna go ahead and cut on in through all that lasagna sheet and that cheese. Wow, take a look at that. That looks so good. Yum. Mmm. Chicken pot pie lasagna. You have to make it this weekend. It's so, so good.